Alright, on the screen there you see a Walmart receipt. This is a topic we want to touch for a while, so me get me a Walmart receipt. Me understand Walmart receipt. Simple. Anybody will look upon it for the first time, understand it. For the first time. And that's just a simple straight up receipt. You see oats, and you see how many oats, and you see the price right across over there. So simple, done, straightforward. Then here comes Jamaican receipt. Look there, one bag of something there on it, bungle up on it. You have to reach for your glasses, and I don't know if nobody do advertisement on it or what, but I mean, if you're doing some kind of advertisement, why you don't put it inside of the store? Alright, here is a ATM machine receipt. The person put in $20 into the machine, and they're showing them say ready right now, and then the total balance is under the bottom. You see how simple that is? So how simple the receipt is? It tell you everything, spell out everything right there, so available now. And all that. Look on Jamaica receipt now. You see that? You have a TRN AMT. I withdraw $4,000. It show me the current balance was that, and then if that's the balance down the bottom there, so it can't be $14,000. So I mean, some people look on it and I say, boy, you know, understand the thing. Yes, me not understand it, and it confused me that way before when me have thought I had 100,000 there. Cause me coming way over 100,000, and me check say me have 100,000 left in the bank, and me calculating on my head. And I went to this hardware to buy a pump, and find out, say, boy, I mean, I have no money left in the bank. I was so ashamed because they keep you confused with these receipts. They just keep you confused, you know. And I feel like more living in our country where make things easier, not harder, and not confusing. It is so confusing, you know. So we just want to draw this to the people them who never traveled before. See, that's a Walmart receipt, right? And that's a Florida ATM machine receipt. So you see the difference, you know. So just want to draw that to our attention and show them, say, yo, we live in our country where people them just deal with where we are. These people travel, and them know an easier way to do the thing. They know the way. All of them go Walmart. You know, all of them go over there and them see the things them, but them just keep we in the dark and keeping we old fashioned with these messed up receipts. You know, so be blessed people, and that's just me. I just keep on drawing stuff like this, and anything when I see, you know, I bring it to our attention, because these things we need changes in the country. We definitely do, man. You know, this is not way back in the days, man. Modern days now. So be blessed, and God bless Jamaica.